morning. This is an impromptu live, but we are going to declutter some makeup items from my collection. I have this huge bag right here. Of course, this is not Nike. Okay. But if you do shop Nike and you enjoy it, I do have an affiliate link, and I will link it below for you in the description box to shop Nike. There are some great deals going on at Nike today, so I think that will be great for you to take a look at. Also, I will not be putting on any makeup during this live. We are just going to do this declutter, and I hope that you enjoy. No worries at all, Kat. It is impromptu, so I thank you for popping in. We're just going to do a declutter so that I can get these products out on tomorrow. So welcome, 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 everyone. My name is Sunsere here on YouTube as Enamored Beauty, as well as over on Instagram. So if you'd like to follow me there, I'd love to have you as a part of the communities on both platforms. All right, so let's get started. So the first item that I'm decluttering is from Hourglass. Now, this is their Vanish Airbrush Primer. This is a good primer for those of you who have oily skin. I do not have oily skin, and so that's why I did not even use it halfway up. It is a beautiful primer. It feels amazing on the skin. But as we know, Hourglass just released a new primer that includes those of us with dry skin. So I will definitely be picking that up and giving it a try. Even though I'm not really into makeup primers, I love Hourglass products, so I plan to pick that up. All right, what's next? Next are a couple items from NYX Cosmetics. And these are just expired. So this is the NYX Fat Lip Oil and Fat Lip Drip Oil, and their Slick Click Stick. This one is in the shade link in my bio. It's a beautiful neutral shade, very good for every day. And this Fat Lip Oil is in the shade Follow Back. Also a really nice shade for an everyday look. All right, we're going through these pretty quickly. There's not much in here. Let's see what's next. Next, let's talk Danessa Myricks. Hey, Keisha, good morning. So for Danessa, I'm decluttering a few things, all because they're expired. All products that I enjoy, they're just expired, and I don't want to use expired products on my face. So let me grab those items. All right. So from Danessa, we have two concealers, shade 13 and shade 14, in her Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer. So I'm decluttering these. And again, it's not because I don't love them. It's just because they're expired. The next two are my Yummy Serum Skin Tints. These are amazing skin tints, and I love them all year round. I have shades 11 and 12. I already have backups thanks to the brand, so I'm not going to be without them. I'm just decluttering these because they are expired. Oh, Keisha says she needs to do better with decluttering expired products. Yes, you must, so that, you know, it just lessens the chance of having breakouts, which I can't stand having on my face. So that's why these have to be decluttered. Even some of the ones I'm getting ready to show you, it's heartbreaking because they're not even hardly used up. I just have so much in my collection that I'm unable to use everything evenly and equally. So they've got to go. Unfortunate, but true. This first one is the Groundwork Blooming Romance palette. This palette is gorgeous, hardly even dented. But again, I've got so much in the collection that I just can't. Unfortunately, it's expired, so I won't be able to keep it around. Beautiful shades, though. And I've had her since launch, so it's been a minute. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to check the date just to make sure. But it's a 1 year after opening. And I'm pretty sure I've hit that year. If I haven't, I'll keep it. I'll let you guys know. I'll post the update to the community tab and stories. This next one is the Groundworks Defining Neutrals palette. You guys know I love her. She's well used. Well, the shades that I use are well used. And again, just expired. So that's the only reason she's going away. But would I repurchase her? Likely not. I'd probably only repurchase the shades that I use once refills become available. Good morning. How are you, Patina? Good to see you. Let's see. Oh, this one is the Mini Lightwork Volume 3. I've maybe used this one time, and I'm pretty sure it's well past the 12 months of opening. So that's going to be decluttered. Let me show you what it looks like. This was like a palette that came as in like additional gift with Lightworks when it came out. And it was actually gifted to me. But again, it's expired. So that's the only reason I'm getting rid of it. Let's see what's next. Okay, Estée Lauder. So I've been able to test some Estée Lauder products this year. And these ones I just don't see myself using. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter them. This one is the Futurist Skin Tint Serum in the shade 6W1 Sandalwood. And then I have the Futurist Hydra Rescue in Amber Honey, shade 5N2. It's neutral. This one looks like this. And it is very moisturizing, that's for sure. Again, I don't see myself using it often, so I'm going to just declutter it ahead of time, just so I don't have space taken up where something else could be. Next is, oh, I know, the RMS Beauty Sun Cover Up Skin Tint. This has a period after opening, I think, of 6 months, and I haven't used it up yet, so that is next on the list. And then, let's see, the bag's almost empty. I've got this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Powder. I don't use it ever, so I keep forgetting to do this. I don't hardly use it, so I don't see a point in keeping things that I don't use. Then I have the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. I use this normally for my bottom lashes, but it is, it's expired. I've had it open way past the 3-month time on mascara, so I should have known better. I should have got rid of it a long time ago. Then I have, let's see. Oh, this LYS. I think this is their lipstick. Let me see. It's called Rich AF. This one is in this red shade. And it just, I didn't love it. I liked it, but I didn't love it. So I know that I'm not going to wear it. So it's going to go out. And then the last item I have is this Clarins Water Lip Stain. I don't know why this thing is doing this to me. Sorry. This Clarins Water Lip Stain. Hopefully you guys have seen all the items that I put up. This is very messy to apply. It does leave behind a beautiful stain. It's just too messy. And so that's why I'm decluttering it. See, it has a paint. It's like a wand. And it's just too messy for me. It's like you paint it on your lips like nail polish. I don't want to fuss with it. So that's going to go. And that is the end of the declutter. See? Real simple, quick, easy. And let me know if you guys have any questions down in the chat, in the comments. If you're new here, I would love for you to join our community by hitting that subscribe button. And then if you would like and comment on this video, please. And then turn your notification bells on so that you can be notified the next time I go live. Let's see. Do they smell or just by the date? Just by the date. I'm going just by the date. Yeah. Just by the date and the fact that they're not really being used. And I'm trying to reorganize and make room for the new things that are coming in. Because I'm thankful that I get products from brands to test. Those that can be given to someone else, I normally do that. But if I've used it a handful of times, then I don't like to give that away. Unless they're, something like a blush or something that can be sanitized, then I don't mind doing that. But yeah. And how I keep track of my dates is I normally put a product in my calendar by the name and the date that it was opened. I've gotten better at doing that. And so I'm trying to keep that going. Now, what I won't get rid of is my lipsticks, mostly the ones that I'm in love with. So I'm going to have to do better at using them more often. Like I've got, I think, 9 or 10 Lisa Eldridge lipsticks that I'm pretty sure are out of date, but I will not get rid of them because I've not even used half of the bullet. If they smell when I pull it out, then I'll discard it, but other than that, I don't get rid of it. Thank you for asking. And then let me see, what else did I want to say? I think that's it. Well, it was a short live. I just wanted to pop in and do that declutter with you all real quick so that I can get these items out. Thank you again for joining. Again, if you're new, I would love to have you as part of the community. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells on so that you're notified the next time I go live. Oh, Keisha has she says she bought stickers to put on her cosmetics, but she hasn't kept up with that. That is a great idea. Now, that's something that I probably could do because at least when I pick it up, it's right there and I could see it. That's a great idea, Keisha. The things that I don't worry about going bad are the things that I use every day, like my CeraCreel moisturizer, the sunscreen, my lip balms. Those things will not go bad because I use them daily. So I'm happy to say that because guess what? It would be a shame to let that skincare go to waste, and which is why I don't open a lot of skincare at one time either. So I try to use a set of skincare until it's gone, and then I'll open more. So, well, that's all. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Thanks for popping in on this impromptu live. Have a great one, and I'll see you here live Tuesday evening at 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hope to see you soon.